Hello everyone, my name is Mike Gunzelman, Ingram Micro Data and AI Architect. So let's talk about AI, what it's all about, what it means to you, your organization, your clients, and just as importantly, how much it means in the marketplace. It's all about having the computer perform human tasks. Why? Because it can do anything I can do 1,000 times faster. Never tires, never gets distracted, can work 7x24 every day, and be very consistent about what it does. Sounds like a really daunting task because the computer really only understands black and white or 0 and 1. So we've turned to mathematics to try to resolve that problem, to give the computer the ability to mimic human functions through calculations. So what if you had an assistant? One, for example, that could read and respond to any question you could ask on any subject, and be a 7x24 knowledge expert assistant available at any time. Or what if you had a way to harness all of the information you had about your organization through your IoT sensors and be able to predict any kind of equipment failure 30 days before it even occurred? Or for that matter, had a system that could learn from a huge amount of information about your clients that you already own and be able to produce the perfect recommendation the next time you interact with them? What if you had to inspect a communications tower, but instead you could send up a drone to collect video footage and then after the fact have an automated system that could actually identify possible maintenance issues without having a human be involved with the original task? And last, think about a security assistant that could look at all the events that you collect over the day and reduce the number by about 99% because it can identify the number of real concerns rather than the false positives that you collect. One of the great things about AI is it applies to any marketplace as long as there's data to work with. So any client that has a lot of unused data is an interesting target to strike up a conversation about AI. And I'm sure you're wondering, well, we could never do this, we're not AI experts. Well, the good news is there are automated tools that now let any business analyst build AI models without the need for an expert being involved. The other concern is most people think of this as only for very large enterprise customers. And again, not true any longer. Cloud platforms are out there now that make AI economical for any size client that you might have. So how can you get started? Email us at data-center@ingrammicro.com. We can pick a time when it's good to consult with you and your client to see if AI is a good fit. And remember, you can use AI to make any organization smarter, better, and faster than the competition.